Good morning. Today we're going to take a look at this multi-tool from NexTool. Some of you might be thinking, hey, I've seen this video before. But don't go away, this is actually not deja vu. This is the Mini Sailor S11 Pro. So note the Pro there. So it's only recently that NexTool came out with the Mini Sailor S11, and now they have the Mini Sailor S11 Pro already. I really love how fast they iterate. So this one has a bunch of improvements, and specifically we have the knife blade, which is 8CR14 MOV, and the rest of the tools are 5CR15 MOV. So let's take a look at what's inside. Okay, so we have the usual user manual. And then we have this special flyer for the scissors, a desiccant pack, and we have the tool itself. So it has a nice build as usual from NexTool. Torque screws to hold the scales in place. Blue aluminum scales, but I wish it were black, of course. It also has the glow-in-the-dark spacers. So we have the start of the show, the Pliers. It's got this stone-washed finish that NexTool is using. And it's actually a very good finish. I like it. The tips are nice, very precise. And then you have the long nose here, the bolt gripper, and the wire cutters. Again, no cutting hardware here. Spring-loaded. And this one seems to be smoother than the other one, the S11. So maybe it's the finish. And it also has that hidden lanyard loop, keychain loop, which is good. So good pliers. Let's take a look at the tools. We have the knife here. It has a nail nick. It's a sheep's foot blade with a nail nick and not very sharp. So you can see here, it's 8CR14 MOV. Nice blade. It's not locking, just like before. And then we have a bottle opener, which also has a flathead screwdriver. On the other side, we have a Phillips head screwdriver, 2.5D. Should work in a pinch. And we have the scissors. Very small, smooth operating. It's quite sharp. Again, nice to have. And finally, we have here a file. So it's got a cross-cut side and a diamond-coated side. So this is really good. I really like diamond-coated files. So it's really useful for fingernails And you can even sharpen knives with this one. And we have a saw here. So I suppose you can also use this as a flathead, a bigger flathead. The finish is really good. I like the finish. And I think that's it. There should be a there. So again, there's still the SIM extraction tool that you can access by first opening the bottle opener. So it's a little bit inconvenient, but again, you don't usually use these things anyway. And of course, we have here the glow-in-the-dark spacers. So it is good for locating the tool in the dark and maybe a little bit of illumination. So here it is in the semi-dark. So it can definitely help in locating the tool. And maybe in illuminating a little bit. I really like how snappy this is. So that's it for my unboxing and overview of the NexTool Mini Sailor S11 Pro. I think this is currently the best keychain multi-tool right now. Many people consider the Leatherman squirt as the best keychain multi-tool. Unfortunately, that has been discontinued, so it's not really a good comparison. While this one, on the other hand, is in production and it's rapidly iterating. This latest version matches the tools of the squirt and made them even more robust. It's a bit bigger, yes, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. And it definitely still fits in your keychain and of course your pocket. So what do you think? Are you going to be carrying this? Please comment down below, and as usual, thank you for watching.